Are you looking for the best scooter motors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best scooter motors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kunray Electric Brushless DC Motor Kit. The Kunray Electric Brushless DC Motor Kit is a complete set that includes a 48V2000W brushless motor, a 48V2000W 15 MOSFET 33A controller, an LCD handlebar throttle with battery indicator, ignition lock, and twist throttle accelerator, an 8T8F11 teeth sprocket chainwheel. The motor features an aluminum body, full copper coil, and is heat-resistant and air-cooled, ensuring low noise and a long lifespan. The controller includes hall sensor, e-brake, 3-speed, reverse, indicator light, and power lock functions. This kit is suitable for electric scooters, motorcycles, e-bikes, go-karts, and more. What we like. Complete set includes motor, controller, and throttle. Motor has an aluminum body, full copper coil, and is heat-resistant and air-cooled for low noise and long lifespan. Controller has various functions including hall sensor, e-brake, 3-speed, reverse, indicator light, and power lock. Throttle has an LCD screen with battery indicator, ignition lock, and twist throttle accelerator for comfortable use. Suitable for various electric vehicles and DIY projects. Number 2. Haeweypf MY681224V150W Scooter Motor. The Haeweypf 24V scooter motor offers a powerful 150-watt brushed motor with a 7-tooth chain sprocket, designed for smooth acceleration and quick starts on your electric scooter or dirt bike. Its high efficiency means less energy waste, helping you enjoy longer rides. Made with durable metal and aluminum alloy, this motor is built to last and handle tough conditions. Plus, its design includes excellent heat dissipation to keep the motor cool and extend its lifespan. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your scooter motor, this reliable option fits many models and enhances your riding experience. What we like. High efficiency. Durable metal build. Excellent heat dissipation. Smooth acceleration. Wide compatibility. Number 3. Zikabe 24V350W Electric Scooter Motor. The Zikabe scooter motor is designed as a perfect replacement for several Razor electric scooters and dirt bikes, ensuring compatibility with your existing ride. This powerful 24V350W motor offers strong acceleration and high torque for a smooth and fast ride, so you can enjoy long rides without the motor overheating. It runs at speeds up to 2,750 revolutions per minute and features reversible shaft rotation, giving you flexibility in how you use it. Plus, the included charger port and durable handlebar grips are built with quality materials to reduce charging issues and provide a comfortable grip, enhancing your overall riding experience. What we like. Wide Razor compatibility. High torque and speed. Reversible shaft rotation. Durable charger port. Premium handlebar grips. Number 4. Bemonoc MY1016Z2 DC12V250W Gear Motor. The Bemonoc 12V gear motor offers a reliable and efficient solution for various electric vehicle and machinery needs. It runs on 12 volts and provides a steady speed of 300 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for applications that require controlled motion. You can easily reverse the motor's rotation by switching the wiring, giving you flexibility for different setups. Built with durable materials, this motor ensures long-lasting use even in tough conditions. Plus, it features high-quality copper wiring and carbon brushes that help the motor run quietly and extend its lifespan, giving you a dependable and smooth performance. What we like. High efficiency and steady speed. Reversible rotation for flexibility. Durable construction. Quiet operation. Long-lasting components. Number 5. FONSOLUM 24V250W Electric Bike Motor Kit. The FONSOLUM electric bike kit offers a complete set of components, including a powerful 24V250W motor, chain, freewheel, controller, and mounting hardware, so you have everything needed for a smooth conversion. It fits various wheel sizes from 16 to 28 inches and standard handlebars, making it versatile for different bikes and DIY projects. Made from durable aluminum, iron, and copper with a tough paint finish, this kit is built to last and resist wear and tear. Safety is prioritized with secure cable connections, a reliable brushed controller, and an undervoltage protection feature to keep your ride safe and worry-free. What we like: complete conversion kit, wide compatibility, durable materials, safety features included.